हाय गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ जावा। जावा क्या होता है और जावा का हिस्ट्री क्या है। सो व्हाट इज जावा? जावा इज अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज एंड अ प्लेटफॉर्म। अ प्लेटफॉर्म क्या होता है? एनी हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर environment in which program run is known as platform. And Java has its own runtime environment, that is JRE, and API. It is called platform. So further, Java is a high level secured and object oriented programming language. अब बात करते हैं हिस्ट्री ऑफ जावा की। तो हिस्ट्री ऑफ जावा कुछ इस प्रकार है कि इन द ईयर 1991 there are three guys named as James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton, who initiated a project named as Java language with a small team, and the small team known as the Green Team. Originally, Java was designed for a small embedded system in the electronic appliances like set-top boxes. Firstly, it was called Green Talk by the James Gosling, and file extension was .gt. After that, it was called Oak and was developed as a part of the Green project. In the year 1995, Oak was again renamed as Java because Oak was already a trademark by Oak Technology. Now, where the Java came from? Java is an island of the Indonesia where the first coffee was produced, called a Java coffee. Originally, Java was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem and released in the year 1995. So friends, if you really like this video, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe my channel for getting more video on Java. If you have any suggestion, write on the comment box. Thank you for watching this.